Hi everyone, Sheree here. Today I'm creating a spread for my Life Crafted album using the Citrus Twist Kit's Life Crafted kit for February 2020. This one's called Possibilities. I've got the wood grain paper from the kit that I've trimmed down to fit inside a full-size page protector in the album, and then I've got that 3x8 card as well. I've just added some stitching to both of those pieces just to add a little bit of texture. And I don't need the magic title at the top there, so I'm going to use that space to add my photo. This is just a photo I took on a walk that I did that particular day, and my journaling is all about things that I was grateful for that day. So I'm going to add a title sideways down the strips on that card. So I've got the word today from the sticker words there, the little foam words that were in the kit. So I'm just lining those up down the side of that card. I've also got a little heart sticker as well that I'm adding to that. Okay, so I've got a journaling card from the kit. I was going to print this out digitally, but my printer would not print the correct color. So instead, I printed my journaling out onto some vellum, and I'm going to layer that over the top. That way I still get that matching color, that beautiful minty color there. And I also get to add my typed journaling. So I'm just trimming down that vellum piece to fit inside that journaling card, and then I'll add a little bit of stitching across it as well. So I'm just making sure I get the right size first, and now I can layer that on top. I'm going to adhere this onto the journaling card using some vellum tape, which you'll see very shortly. I've had this vellum tape for a lot of years, and I know you can get other brands of this vellum tape. I have no idea which brand this tape is because I've had it for so long, but it works so beautifully. You cannot see the adhesive through the vellum. So I'm just sticking that one on, and now that that's secured in place, I'm going to grab my sewing machine and I'm going to add a line of stitching across that as well, just to add a little bit of interest and texture to that card. So that's done. I can now trim off those ends, and that card will be able to be added to that page. So I do have a few of the die cuts from the Life Crafted kit as well that I'm going to add, and one of those labels that come in the kit as well. And I've chosen the purple color because I've got these little purple flowers, and I loved the color against the minty greens on these pages. I wouldn't normally grab purple to use on my page, and I very rarely use this color, but I'm really happy with how it's turned out on this spread. So I'm just repositioning that journaling card down just a fraction, and then I'll be able to add my label underneath. So I'm going to do some stamping on this label. So this stamp set was included in the Life Crafted kit this month, and I'm going to stamp the words enjoying and simple pleasures, but as you can see there's lots of other great phrases to use on this stamp set. So that's the enjoying word done. I'll just swap over the stamps onto my block, and simple pleasures will fit just underneath there. So I'm happy with that. I can now go ahead and add that label to the page. So I'll just add a bit of tape runner on the back there and stick that one on, and I'm also going to add a line of stitching through that label as well. If you've seen any of my projects before, you know that I love adding lots of stitching to my pages. I've just got a chipboard piece there from the kit that I've just added to the top of the photo there. So all I need to do now is add the date and location into the little space there under the photo. So I've just grabbed my date stamp, which I'm going to add straight onto that card, but for the location I've gone over to my typewriter with some plain white cardstock, and I've just typed up the words around here. So I'm just going to trim that one down, and then I'm going to adhere it into that space. So it's going on there now, and I did have a little bit of ink smudged on there from my typewriter, so I was able to just carefully remove that using an eraser. I was very glad that that worked. So that's done, and I'm also going to add a bit of stitching to that as well. Alright, so I'll give you a closer look at the little details now that this spread is complete. So you can see the stitching there and the stamping, and there's a close-up of that chipboard piece where I've got that around here and the today word there. So now I'll be able to add these pages into my Life Crafted album. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing how I've put this spread together today. I will pop a link down below to Citrus Twist Kits if you'd like to go and check all these goodies out for yourself. Let me know if you've got any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I'll see you again very soon with another project. Have a great day and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.